Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and welcome to the series Practice with Me Sessions, SolidWorks Beginners. Few things before we get started. If you're not in the first video of the series, you would probably miss something useful. Practice with Me sessions are designed in a way to explain tool to the beginners by actually working on the simple projects. Thereby they learn to implement the tool at the same time. It requires zero CAD knowledge if you want to start with these lessons. I will make the drawing file full size in every video beginning so the users can take a screenshot of it and use it while they practice. This series is created following the success and appreciation I received from CAPA videos, so I will try my best to do the same with SolidWorks as well. I request my viewers and subscribers to give the same support I received from CAPA tutorial videos so that we can make this program a huge success. As usual, give thumbs up and comments. Without further ado, let's begin.
In this video, we'll work on exercise number 9. To start off, we'll go to File, New, double click on the part template. Now we have the empty workspace open. Let's go to the sketch, click on the sketch and start on a sketch here. Let's firstly create this profile here. Let's click on the right plane and so we firstly created this profile. Let's go ahead and do some dimensioning for this. So that'll be 45 here, and this length will be 75. This length will be 75 plus 15 will be 90, and this length also will be 75. This is 45 divided by 2. And finally, this point and this line, you can give a midpoint. And now it's fully constrained. Exit the sketch. Now you can go for surfaces and you can go for extrude surface. The thickness is 15. Let's just go ahead and give 7.5, 7.5 each on both sides. Alright, now what you can do is you can create a sketch on the top plane. So use a centered rectangle and dimension the rectangle. That'll be 30 and this will be 75. Alright, now it's fully constrained. Exit the sketch. Now you can go for surfaces. You can do extrude of 15. Tick mark. Now what you can do is you can use fill surface and fill these surfaces. You don't need a mesh preview. Click on tick mark. Now we have that done as well. Now what we do next will be use this sketch and go for fill surface, and you can fill this as well, right? Now see, these two surfaces are these two surfaces, the horizontal surface that's lying on this plane, this also need to be removed, and also this portion should be removed from the surface as well. So what we do is we create a trim tool. So to create a trim tool, what we do is just go to the top plane, click on the sketch and simply draw a rectangle here. Exit the sketch. Now what we do is use this sketch, go for trim surface and then go for this surface and ask the tool to remove that surface. click on tick mark, and that will be removed. Now you can just go ahead and just hide this. Okay, so this from the surface it has got removed, so we unhide this. From this surface it is not removed. So what we do now is just select the sketch here and also go for trim and select the surface to be removed. Click on tick mark. Now that also has been removed. Now you can bring back the surface and hide this. Okay, yeah, now we have that done. Now finally what we have to do is we have to fill this and fill this portion also. So initially we had used this sketch, right? So what we do is we'll just use a fill surface for this, and we'll hide that fill surface, and we'll take that fill and we'll go for offset surface, and we'll give 7.5. so it's filled on this side. Now you take that offset and go for offset surface, and this time we give 15. Tick mark. Now it's filled. So now this is the complete model that we were actually looking for. So I hope you enjoyed this particular video. Thank you so much and stay tuned.
Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts on this video, put them on the comment section and I'll try to respond to them as early as I can. If you think my videos are helpful, hit the like, subscribe and share button. If you're interested to get How Engineers Do It t-shirt, you can get it by contacting me. I've put an image of it on the next slide. Here's a t-shirt. If you've got any CAD related requirements, don't hesitate to contact me anytime. I'm always looking forward to work with you. You can personally get in touch with me at ketia.pro.user@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and stay tuned.